Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast for UPSC. First, thoroughly understand the UPSC syllabus and exam pattern. This foundational step ensures you focus your efforts effectively. Next, prioritize high-weightage topics to maximize your study efficiency. Creating a structured study plan with daily and weekly goals will keep you on track and motivated. Remember, consistent effort and smart planning are key to accelerating your preparation. To learn faster, employ active recall and spaced repetition techniques. Instead of passive reading, actively test yourself to strengthen memory. Daily answer writing practice is crucial for improving your articulation and time management in the exam. Furthermore, integrate current affairs seamlessly into your static subjects to build a comprehensive understanding. This holistic approach helps connect concepts and enhances your overall knowledge base. Efficient resource management is vital for fast learning. Limit your study materials to a few high-quality sources to avoid information overload. As you study, create concise, self-made notes that highlight key points for quick and easy revision. Most importantly, schedule regular and dedicated revision sessions for all subjects. Consistent revision reinforces your learning and ensures long-term retention of complex information. Cultivating a positive mindset and effectively managing stress are crucial for sustained performance. Regularly taking full-length mock tests is essential for evaluating your progress and identifying areas needing improvement. Analyze your performance meticulously after each test to refine your strategy. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Stay focused and believe in your capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.